Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr. Holmes. What will you learn today? Let me tell you. It's comparing areas of rectilinear shapes. Okay, so let's have a quick recap of what rectilinear shapes are. Remember, they are straight-sided shapes with right angles. So they have horizontal lines running across the page, meeting with vertical lines running up and down. Okay, so today we have two rectilinear shapes and we're going to compare them. We're going to say whether they're the same area or whether one is slightly larger or one is slightly smaller area than the other. So to start off with then, we are going to split our shape up into two. So I'm going to split this shape up here so I can see that I've created a square and a rectangle. Let's work out the areas of those. So that's 2 across by 2 down. I can multiply the width and the length. 2 times 2 will be 4 squared there, or 4 centimeters squared. And then I can see that this rectangle is 2 squares across by 4 squares down. So multiply short length by the long length. 2 multiplied by 4 gives me 8 squared. If it's in centimeters, 8 centimeters squared. And of course, I'm going to put them back together. So I'm going to add them up. So the area of this shape is 12 centimeters squared. Of course, you can split it up in different ways if you'd like. And if you're unsure or just want to check, you can count the squares just to make sure that you've calculated it correctly. Okay, on to our second shape. What I'm going to do here, I think, is actually split it into 3. Nice and easy here. I can see I've just got one square here, one square there. I've got a little 1 in here. So I've counted those two. And then I've actually created a square inside the biggest shape. So that's 3 across by 3 down. And I can multiply those lengths. 3 times 3, or 3 squared, gives us 9 squares, or 9 centimeters squared. And then I can add this square and this square to give me 11 squares, or 11 centimeters squared. Okay, so I've worked out the area of both of these shapes. So all that is left for me to do is to work out which is the largest area, and I can see it's this shape here, the first shape. So I can write my symbol in. 12 centimeters squared is greater than 11 centimeters squared. Okay. Remember, if you forget, think about this as a greedy crocodile, and that greedy crocodile always eats the largest amount. That's why he's greedy. Okay, and so there we have it, comparing the areas of rectilinear shapes. See you again soon for some more maths fun.